walks down the street, he says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle when the rest of my life it's so hard? I want a shot of redemption. I need a photo opportunity, and I don't want to wind up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard with bone digger, dogs in the moonlight, so far away from my well-adored Mr. Beer Belly, get these butts away from me. You know I don't find this stuff amusing anymore. If you'll be my bodyguard, I will be your long lost pal. I can call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me out. A man walks down the street, so short of attention. I got a short little span of attention, and oh my nights, it's so long with my wife and family. What if I die here? Who'll be my role model? Now that my role model is gone. Duck back down the alleyway with some roly-poly little bad-faced girl. All along, there was incidents and accidents, and there was hints and allegation. If you'll be my bodyguard, I will be your long-lost pal. I can call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me. Good morning.